The 2026 Kia Sorento hides more than it shows, quietly outclassing family cars worth far more. That HEV badge means it charges its own battery. Even surrounded by flashier metal, it is the calm one that holds your gaze, and that tells you how far Kia has climbed. Up close, the grille is a lattice of tiny tiles framed by tall vertical lights. Step back, and the proportions talk: long hood, squared shoulders, a properly planted stance. If you are cross-shopping a 7-seater this year, subscribe now, because getting this choice wrong is expensive. Kia calls this light signature Star Map, and after dark, those slim bars make the Sorento unmistakable. It is a small detail, but small details are exactly where cheaper rivals still give themselves away. And the closer you look, the more it feels built to a standard, not down to a budget. That thinking follows you down the flanks too. The taillights stand tall, slim, and vertical. They echo the front, tying it all together. The rear is cleaner than before, less clutter, more width, a tailgate that finally looks grown up. That flat badge marks Kia's deliberate fresh start. Head on, the tail sits wide and low, giving this tall SUV an athletic footprint. And there is the name, Sorento, spelled in confident letters, no longer an afterthought. Take in the whole silhouette, and the scale is obvious. At 190 inches long, this is a big car. That length hides a 111-inch wheelbase, which lets 3 full rows of seats fit. Open the tailgate, and the Sorento starts making its real argument, because this was built to swallow a family and its whole life. Inside, the doors close with a solid, muffled thud you can feel. A panoramic roof floods the cabin with light, making a big space feel larger still. Ahead of the driver, 2 wide screens sweep across the dash, each one 12.3 inches, curved towards you. The seats are the surprise, quilted and supportive, trimmed in a material that shames pricier cars. The wheel wears the new Kia logo, and the dials behind it read crisp and calm. Physical climate buttons survive here, and thank goodness. The dashboard is laid out with a logic that never leaves you hunting. Settle in, and the driving position is commanding without feeling perched, with proper space and a clear view down the hood. Warm trim and ambient light lift the mood. Between the seats sits a neat rotary shifter and deep storage, and Kia has packed in wireless charging, clever cubbies, and tech that simply works. Now the part families actually buy this for: the space behind the seats. Fold both back rows flat, and you unlock over 75 cubic feet of cargo space. The middle row is where the Sorento shines, with limousine legroom, seats that slide and recline, and room for 3 across. Those seats tumble and slide at a touch, so climbing into the very back never turns into the usual undignified scramble. Child seats clip in without any fuss. Drop it all flat, and the floor runs level, ready for furniture or a full-size bike. Access is easy, though its cousin, the Hyundai Santa Fe, gives adults a touch more headroom here. The rearmost seats suit children better than adults. Grown-ups back here will want shorter journeys. With 7 seats up, cargo space shrinks to 12.6 cubic feet, barely a grocery run. So, the number that decides it: in America, the Sorento Hybrid starts near $39,000. The pick is the EX trim. A Toyota Highlander Hybrid starts about $8,000 higher. And few 3-row hybrids feel this complete. Our Santa Fe review shows if the boxier one wins.